Hello and welcome to Weaker House. My name's Craig and today I'd like to talk about sliding doors. More specifically, the two most popular sliding doors that we offer. The Internorm HS330 timber composite system or the Visiline slimline all aluminium system. Today I want to go into a lot more detail about each product and how they might benefit you for your specific project. So welcome to the technical table, where you join me here with two cross sections of the Internorm HS330 and the Visiline all aluminium sliding door. Now, just as an introduction, it's worth noting obviously these are cross sections, so they are smaller, the profiles might look a little bit chunkier, but when you see them in the grand sort of scheme of things, on our project gallery for example, the profiles look a lot slimmer and as they do in real life. So today I want to go through different details on each product. Talk about performance, we'll talk about aesthetics, we'll talk about design options, opening configurations, glass options. We'll go through everything that will help you determine which product might be suitable for your specific project. The Internorm HS330 is a triple glazed only system, timber composite, U values of 0.73 depending on the glass type that you choose. Passive house compliant, so perfect for those low energy type builds. The Visiline door. Now the Visiline is available in the Visiline 2, which is double glazed and achieves a U value of 1.4, or triple glazed in the Visiline 3, which achieves a U value of 0.9. So we sort of cover the broad spectrum of U values and what you might require for your specific project. The most important thing to note is they all meet building reg standards for new build or for extensions and remodeling projects. How can these doors operate? So the Internorm sliding door is a 2-track only system. So it's available as a 2-panel door, so either the left or the right hand sliding over the one panel, or as a 4-panel system where both panels can move from the middle. Or there is a 3-panel system where only the central panel will move to the left or to the right. The beauty though within the versatility of the Internorm product is that we can introduce things like glass corners and glass joins, so you can actually do long runs of glass fixed glazing as part of the sliding door system. So if you look at a specific project on our website, and we'll put the link in below, we've got a 15-meter run of Internorm HS330 where we've introduced some sliding doors and some fixed elements and some glass corners for that sort of continuous run of glazing basically. So it is a very versatile product, albeit it's only available as a 2-track system. The aluminium Visiline system is slightly different. So we've got our 2-track, so we can have a 2-pane door, which either panel can slide left or right. You can have a 4-panel door where the 2 outer ones can slide open, or even the 2 outside ones can slide towards the inside. We've then got a triple track option. So you've got your 3 panels can slide to the left or to the right, and your 6 panels as well. Again, the Visiline can be a versatile system. So with the Visiline 2, you get the option of moving corners and pocket doors. And then with the Visiline 3, you've got your moving corners, you've got your pocket doors, but then we introduce things like glass corners. So you can then introduce a glass corner into an all aluminium slimline slider. They both are very versatile style products. So with the Internorm HS330, Internorm have their own range of external shading. So for overheating, we've got the Venetian style shutters that can go on the outside. We've also got fly screens for the Internorm sliding door. With the Visiline range of sliding doors, one of the more important options is something like an eco drain. So we can do an integrated eco drain as an optional extra. What both doors offer as an option, and something we talk a lot to clients about these days, is overheating. So if you're doing a new build project, you'd have to get an overheating assessment done, and part of that might be to do with the glazing. And they'll look at the glass and decide or determine what solar gain factor and G value we need on this glazing. So we offer a range of solar control glass for both the Visiline and the Internorm sliding door, which help reduce solar gain, which contribute towards your overheating assessment. The actual profile of the door, so it's got a level threshold system, so this door can be sunk into the ground, so the inside and the outside track are at the same height, so you've got that flush walk through for when you've got your tiled floor down or your laminate floor down, for example. Around the outside, the profiles can be covered up as much or as little as you want them to be covered. And then down the centre, you've got this 95mm mullion down the middle, basically. With the Visiline sliding door, again, the threshold of the door can be buried within the ground, so you get a nice flush walk through from inside and out. The profiles on the outside can be covered as much or as little as possible. And down the centre, we've got that 20mm for the Visiline 2 or 25mm for the Visiline 3 slimline mullion down the middle. So the Internorm, as I've said, is a timber composite sliding door system. So externally, we've got that aluminium clad, which is available in a range of standard colours, any RAL colour, and also a choice of some more specific Internorm only colours. And on the inside, we've got our timber finish. This particular example is oak, but you can also choose from spruce, larch, walnut, or you can have a painted finish on the inside. With the Visiline door, this is an all aluminium thermally broken system. So we get a choice of RAL colours inside and out. There are a range of standard colours, and there are also more specific Visiline colours such as an anodised finish, which are available on the inside and the outside, and you can also dual colour, so you can have a mix of colours on the inside and out depending on your preference. So in conclusion, we have here two of our most popular sliding doors, the Internorm HS330, triple glazed, U-values 0.73, timber composite system, very versatile, really popular product, as well as our Visiline all aluminium sliding door, double glazed with the Visiline 2, U-values 1.4, triple glazed 0.9, really again, really popular, versatile product. It all comes down to which product sort of suits your project specifics and aesthetics really, I suppose, from a customer's point of view. But we've got both doors in display in Nailsworth and in our Surrey showroom, so why not pop down, have a look and decide for yourself.